Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Focus of the Day session of ANALYST IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about the topic Lake Effect Snow. We will have this particular discussion in the following series. First, why in news, followed by how does lake effect snow form, followed by prelims practice question, followed by mains practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about very important course of Analyst IAS which include Polity class, CSAT class and Current 365 class. And along with that, we will soon launch Public Administration optional course. So you can inquire about any of the following on the given number, and you can also visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar Market. So now let's move on to our topic of discussion and see why it is in news.
The first major lake effect snowstorm of the season has dropped more than 6 feet of snow on parts of western New York, and it's not over yet.
We are hauling snow, no place to put it now. Unfortunately, it looks like more.
Recently, residents across western and northern New York are bracing for historic lake effect snow, a storm set to engulf most of the region in a crippling white cloak. So, this brings this particular lake effect snow into news. Now we will discuss about it and how it is formed. The lake effect snow forms when dry freezing air picks up moisture and heat as it moves along the warmer lake water. This causes some of the lake water to evaporate into the air, causing the air to be warmer and wetter. As the air cools down and moves from the lake, it dumps all the moisture on the ground, and when it's cold enough, it results in a massive dumping of snow. And the perfect recipe for the lake effect snow storm occurs during the late fall and the early winter, when there is the largest difference between the warm lake water and the colder air moving over it. The bigger the difference, the heavier the storm. So, this is the phenomena, and this is the reason why this particular phenomena occurs. Now we will discuss, will the climate change affect the lake effect snow? So, the answer is, human-caused climate change has the potential to intensify the lake effect snow event, at least in the short storm, according to NOAA US Climate Resilience Toolkit. Ice cover extent and the lake water temperature are the main control on lake effect snow that falls downwind of the Great Lakes. The predictions change once the lake temperature rises to a point when much of what now falls as snow will instead fall as rains. So the lake effect snow frequently pummels the Great Lake with feet of wet snow that can trap people in their homes and cover their cars. So this is the answer for this particular question. So now we will move on to our prelims practice question, which says which one of the lake of West Africa has become dry and turned into a desert. Your options are A. Lake Victoria, B. Lake Fagubine, C. Lake Augusta, D. Lake Volta. You have to answer this particular question in comment box. I will answer this question in my next video. Now we will discuss yesterday's question, which said Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi was launched in the year 2019 from dash in Uttar Pradesh. So the correct answer for this particular question is B, that is Gorakhpur. Now moving on to our mains practice question, which says how will the melting of Himalayan glacier have a far-reaching impact on the water resources of India? You have to answer this particular question in 250 words. Write your answer and send it to us on our WhatsApp number to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Stay tuned with Analyst IAS to get further updates. Thank you.